Sandy began to form October 19th as a tropical wave in the Caribbean. In just 6 hours, it became a tropical storm, the 18th named storm of the 2012 Atlantic hurricane season. It was finally declared a hurricane on October 24th, when its maximum sustained winds reached 74 miles per hour. The storm weakened while hitting Cuba and sweeping across the Bahamas. Mandatory evacuations were called to the residents of parts of New Jersey, Staten Island, Long Island, New York City, and Connecticut. Strengthening again, Hurricane Sandy hit Atlantic City, New Jersey, on Monday, October 29th at 80 miles per hour. Streets flooded, trees and power lines were knocked down, and the boardwalk ripped apart.
And this storm is so big, so vast, 60 million Americans will feel its power.
But this is nothing to play with, and this is nothing to take lightly.
This storm is going to be destructive, historic, and unfortunately life-threatening.
8.5 million people in 15 states were left without electricity. More than 15,000 flights were canceled. Subways in Lower Manhattan were flooded, and most gas stations in New York City and New Jersey were closed.
It's bad enough most people are without power, some without hot water too. But when there's virtually no gas to be had, you get this.
The death toll reached over 100 by November 1st as the storm calmed down.
We go through tough times, but we bounce back. And the reason we bounce back is because we look out for one another. And we don't leave anybody behind. And so my commitment to the people on this block, the people of this community, and the people of this state is that that same spirit will carry over all the way through until our work is done. All right? Thank you very much, everybody.